26. Which of the following is the network layer protocol for the Internet? Internet Protocol. 27. Which network topology requires a central controller or hub? Star. 28. If a link transmits 4,000 frames per second, and each slot has 8 bits, what is the transmission rate of the circuit using time division multiplexing, TDM? 32 kbps. 29. Which of the following allows LAN users to share computer programs and data? File server. 30. What type of transmission is involved in communication between a computer and a keyboard? Simplex. 31. Which layer provides the services to user? Application layer. 32. Which connection is necessary for a computer to join the Internet? Internet Service Provider. 33. Which of the following allows you to connect and log into a remote computer? Telnet. 34. Which of the following is used in an attempt to render a computer resource unavailable to its intended users? Denial of service attack. 35. The IETF standards documents are called RFC. RFC stands for Request for Comments. 36. In the layer hierarchy, as the data packet moves from the upper to the lower layers, headers are added. 37. The structure or format of data is called syntax. 38. Communication between a computer and a keyboard involves transmission. Simplex. 39. The first network was called ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Networks. 40. A is the physical path over which a message travels. Medium. 41. Which organization has authority over interstate and international commerce in the communications field? FCC. FCC stands for Federal Communications Commission. 42. Which of this is not a network edge device? Switch. 43. A set of rules that governs data communication. Protocols. 44. 3 or more devices share a link in connection. Multipoint. 45. When collection of various computers seems a single coherent system to its client, then it is called distributed system. 46. 2 devices are a network if a process in one device is able to exchange information with a process in another device. 47. Which of the following computer networks is built on the top of another network? Overlay network. 48. In computer network, nodes are a node can be anything that is capable of sending data or receiving data or even routing the data to its destination. Routers, computers and smartphones are some examples of network nodes. 49. Communication channel is shared by all the machines on the network in broadcast network. 50. Bluetooth is an example of personal area network.